Although experience can calm the nerves in a penalty shootout, I'm sure there's always going to be an element of doubt in the players' minds. Struck with some authority. He made it. It's 1-1. On.
You could see he was really nervous taking that one, but he's made it one apiece. That's it.
Into the middle. That's in the left side of the net. And it's the dead ball specialist. He very rarely misses, especially from this range. He's put it down the middle. Into the middle.
Oh, that's a great penalty in such a tense situation to tie the score at 3 each.
The keeper's gone the wrong way. It hit the upright.
Oh, agonisingly close, but he's been denied by the woodwork.
That's it. They've done it. A great win for them here. They did everything possible to ensure the victory, and their supporters are going wild.